traffic to Naylor's Auto Repair website has gone up 120% just in this last year alone, and our organic traffic is accounting for 60% of that traffic. It's grown exponentially throughout the years. And one of the biggest reasons is the content that we create in the form of blog posts. Now, as the president of the marketing agency that I run as my day job, I get asked all the time about the value of blogging. I get it. People are like, that's so weird. Like, who's gonna come back and who's gonna go to an automotive repair site and check on their blog? It's like, that is not how it works. That's not the point. What you do get from blogging though, right now, Naylor's Auto Repair website, of the top 10 pages that people come in on from searches, 8 of them are blog posts. So blog posts on everything from how do I replace my car battery to hybrid vehicle maintenance, to everything you need to know about spark plugs, to tires and tune-ups, and all of that kind of content is what actually gets us found. Because when people are searching for a service, they're searching for the service they're looking for. Not every response that Google brings up is just going to be a schedule your appointment now kind of form. They assume that you're looking for information. If you drive a hybrid vehicle, that you want really specific information about servicing a hybrid vehicle, and that's the kind of content that we deliver. So not only is the content we're creating, we hope it provides value to the person who's looking at it, but it starts to establish us as experts, shows Google and the end user what it is that we specialize in, what we're really great at, and gets us found. And that's the whole point, because they go from that blog post to that contact page with that form to request an appointment. And so that's why blogging is so critical. Again, it's not like what you think about from the beginning of the internet days of like people following blogs or going back and checking for the latest blog post from a certain website. It's not about that at all. It's about every single page of content on your website being another opportunity to rank with Google. And so we provide that content, we get found in searches, and we get new customers. And that's why it is so important for auto repair shops to blog, create new content about services, just to really tell Google and the end user what it is you do and how you